Today you'll learn how to transform a photo into a dot mosaic portrait. Click right on your photo, layer from background, OK. Make a solid colored layer. Choose black. Now move this color layer under your photo layer. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic. Write 15 for cell size. Go to File, make a new document that should be 15 by 15 pixels. Choose Zoom tool, click right, Fit on screen. With elliptical marquee tool, drag from the left top corner a circle. With Paint Bucket tool, make it black. Choose again elliptical marquee tool, click right, deselect. Go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Go to Edit, Define Pattern. Click on this icon. Now go to Edit, Fill. Make sure Pattern is chosen. Choose the last pattern from your list because that's the pattern you just defined. That's it, you can see it better zooming it. And you can even cut the photo so the dot mosaic effect can be seen better. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day!